welcome to today's day in the life vlog. I couldn't sleep last night, you guys. I was so nervous and just so excited too. It was like so much anxious anticipation of the podcast relaunch. So I really hope you guys like the episode, and obviously there will be more to come, but I don't know, I couldn't sleep and I kept kind of like going back to sleep. So I actually didn't do my workout this morning because I was just like, no, you should try to get a little bit more rest before I have to pick up the kids here in a minute. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my vitamins and make my tea and change really fast, put on my pajamas too, and go pick them up.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights. Talked about everything that was on our mind.
It is still very cold here in Cleveland, Ohio. I am so looking forward to spring and summer. Cannot wait. But on this day in particular, I just had a lot of computer work I had to do. So, you can see me sitting here, but it was a couple hours that I was sitting there working.
I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder.
I'm going to lunch with a girlfriend today, and I just grabbed the mail on my way out the door, and I'm so excited because my new toppers from Pair Eyewear just got here. So I figured I would do a little try on because I love my Pair Eyewear glasses, and a huge thank you to Pair Eyewear for sponsoring today's video. I shared them in one of my videos last month too, but they have women's, men's, kids frames at the most affordable prices, both prescription and blue light glasses. I have the blue light glasses just because I do so much work on the computer and my phone all day. I wanted to get a good pair of blue light glasses, but you can do a virtual try on their site. They have a bunch of different base frame options, and I just love that you can do the virtual try on and see what look fits your face the best. I have the Peyton frames in the blush color, and I love them. And these are the cute then toppers that I got. They start at like $25, so again, very affordable. This is the white pearlescent. Love those. They're so cute. Okay, I was really excited for these. These are the Snow Cat. Like, they're really, really fun. And these I feel like go really well with my outfit today. These are the white sun tops, but they have that like pink, really pretty gradient frame. And I do just want to share because I put these on in the last video, but this is the Cheetah Spot sun topper, and I love these as well. You guys know I'm a leopard girl, cheetah girl. I love it. But there is free shipping in the USA and Canada, and if you use the QR code here on the screen or the link that I'll have for you down in my description box below with my code Brianna K 15, you'll get 15% off of your first order from Pair Eyewear. So again, use that QR code or the link down below and my code Brianna K 15 for 15% off of your first Pair Eyewear order. And thank you again to Pair Eyewear for sponsoring today's Day in the Life vlog. So we were just listening to that Beyonce song and listen to Hayden. Who runs the world?
Mommy.
Who runs the world?
Mommy.
Who runs the world?
Mommy.
Oh my God, I love it. Pretty girl. Oh, okay. Camera shy today? You got right now.
Dance.
All ready for ballet class.
Yes, and whatever it's called.
Sparkle Squad? Yeah. I'm just sitting in a Presley swinging chair because it's probably my favorite little place to hang.
Hello.
Get it? Hang. Bye. Have fun at dance.
Lipstick on my hand. I didn't mean to actually touch it. Whatever, it's a tattoo.
Love you.
Love you.
Got a little surprise there.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Enjoy. Okay?
Gonna get all cozy.
Yeah, we're gonna make it all cozy. Blue car, good. We do some speech therapy videos. Yeah, with Miss Rachel. The office is definitely on my list of things that I want to declutter. And I got a new printer and I want to do like basically a massive, like inspirational Pinterest vision board back there. So I'm going to work on that. I don't know if I have time tonight. That'd be kind of maybe fun to do when the kids go to bed. Maybe I will work on that. That could be my little like nighttime project. But I just opened some mail and I thought that this was so sweet of Katie. So I started this Galentine's Day flower exchange this year, and unfortunately, by the time you see this video, it will be closed, but we're going to do something for Mother's Day too. Oh, I just heard something. I think he's just playing. I think everything's fine. Hold please. You okay? Are you okay? Okay, were you just playing? Okay. Anyways, I think he's fine. I think he's just playing with something. But anyways, the Galentine's Day flower exchange is going to be closed by the time you see this, but we're going to do one for Mother's Day too. But it was basically where we sign up, everybody gets partnered up with somebody, and we send each other flowers for Valentine's Day. So you don't have to be single or divorced or anything like that, but just kind of if you're a person who wants to join in and send the love, share the love, and get some in return, it's just kind of a fun thing our community is doing. So I want to do it for Mother's Day too, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, I just opened a package and Katie was like, I sent you something a little early, like your flowers are coming for Valentine's Day, and look what she got me. Became thoughtful. She got my favorite candies. And then I love, look how beautiful these little rainbow pastel pens are. And the note even says you can use it for manifesting away in your journals. And then I know I've shared this in my other videos. I love this pillow balm. It is so good for this time of year. And she got it in a scent I haven't tried before. It says it's made with like stardust. And anyways, this is so thoughtful, Katie. Just have to give you a little extra shout out. Thank you. All right, Presley just got home from dance, so I'm starting to make dinner. I was like laid out for all the time that she was at dance because I'm having like really, really bad cramps right now. And I'm just like feeling miserable. So, first day is always the worst. But I'm gonna make the kids their like kid dinner, and I have one of my factor meals that I'm just gonna heat up. So easy for dinner since I do not feel like doing much of anything right now. This is one of my little mocktails that I like to make in the evening. I'll just add sliced up strawberry, and then I'll use the LaCroix. This is the strawberry peach. Just pour this over the berries. My factor meal is going off right now. And then I have some Simply cranberry. You don't need much, but I just add a little. Just a little splash on the top there. Gives it some nice color. And then to make it extra fancy schmancy, just add a little strawberry on the rim, and this is my little cutie mocktail. I like taking this like when I take bubble baths and stuff like that too. I was looking at a bunch of the just DMs and comments or views that were left on the podcast today, and I'm seriously so excited. I just feel like this new era, like it's long overdue, but I'm just so happy that I'm finally doing it and diving into all these topics. And I really do. I kind of had the feeling today that I'm like, I think God had me go through a lot of stuff because like my purpose now is to help other women who are going through
divorce, heartbreak, dating, who need to like elevate themselves in this new chapter. And when I had lunch with my friend today, that was literally like what we talked about, because she just went through a divorce. So yeah, it's, you know, something that it's like 1 in 2 marriages then in divorce, right? So a lot of people go through it. And I mean, you don't enter into marriage ever thinking it's going to be you, but when it does happen, it's something that is really hard, but then it does, I think, get a lot better. So you guys, need you to turn that down, please, okay? It's really loud. But anyways, virtual cheers, and just, it would mean so much to me if you can subscribe to the Bits of Brie podcast channel. And on both Spotify and Apple Podcasts, you can stream the podcast. So if you stream over there, please leave a 5-star review on either Spotify or Apple, and leave an actual like comment or review too, because that's just really helpful as well in, you know, sharing the podcast with the right people. That's how all these things sort of work. The algorithms will put it to the people who, you know, are consuming that type of content and those topics, and then we'll kind of like share it with them, just based on seeing that like people are leaving reviews and comments and all that kind of stuff. And it actually doesn't matter good or bad, by the way. Like sometimes bad ones even generate it, because it's funny. I think sometimes trolls think they're like sabotaging it or something like that, but it actually doesn't matter either way. So thank you, no matter what, whether you're leaving a good comment or a nasty one. Thank you for the engagement. Cheers. This is the kids' dinner. They're having noodles, berries, peas. The older two wanted cheese on theirs. Hayden didn't, so it's just butter and garlic salt on his. And then this is my dinner. I added the extra peas to mine though too, but it's like a chicken parmesan. Yum.
Is good. Let us thank him for our food. Amen.
Yay.
Have more than cheese.
More cheese?
What's that?
In a minute. What I'm eating?
No, your drink.
My little mocktail I made.
It's cute. Kind of like is there alcohol in it?
No, it's just LaCroix with a splash of cranberry juice and a sliced up strawberry.
Could I have that?
You want me to make you one?
I eat it.
You want to have one
Isn't that
too?
the drink you brought me and Natalie when we had a sleepover the one day? Well, we have a sleepover this weekend.
Yeah. Down in Columbus?
How long are we going to stay there? Mom, doesn't Ariana...
Just Saturday, because then we're going to drive home Sunday and watch the Super Bowl.
Doesn't Ariana Grande have similar glasses to that?
Does she?
I'm
It
pretty
looks
sure
like
she does.
Ariana Grande.
Well, your glasses kind of do. I know she has glasses kind of like that. Well, I'm pretty sure.
I'm so fancy.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel
I love you guys.
that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh,
Little girl on your
oh,
kitty cat.
I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause I love take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love.
I feel like today honestly went by in a blur because it was just so exciting relaunching the podcast. And then I feel like once I get the kids from school, you know, just all the activities and all that stuff, it just like immediately goes into the nighttime routine. But thank you so much for watching this day in the life video. I do need to do a quick little cleanup and of the kitchen too. So I'm gonna do that and I will see you in the next video. Bye, loves.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet? I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I changed up everything except my name, we will still be fighting, cause I am still the same. I wanted me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I tried to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. Really made an effort, promised I
And don't
would
forget,
change,
new
but
podcast
something
episodes
stayed
come
the
out every
same.
Wednesday, so make sure you have your notifications turned on for that on Spotify, Apple, and YouTube.